Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. In this video, we are going to see what is microworkers.com and how we can earn money from this and how can we register to this service and what is this microworkers.com, and we are going to do a complete review on microworkers.com website. So now let's jump into it. So microworkers.com website is a platform where you can use it from either PC or a phone to earn money by doing simple services such as subscribing YouTube channels, liking Instagram or Facebook posts, and completing surveys, playing games, etc. And microworkers.com service, it's an easy tool to make money, and it's 100% trusted and guaranteed you will get money from this, and you will earn a big revenue to your account from this website. And in order to proceed with the rest in microworkers.com, we should have an account of microworkers.com. So in order to create an account, just click on register over here, and they will ask some details such as first name, middle name, last name, and gender, company, birth date, email, password, and make sure to give all the details which are true, and you should give the true country and don't trick this website with VPNs and all, because you should provide phone numbers, and they will send a pin after you sign up for this website in order to work for this website. And please give accurate and true and flawless addresses and the country and the name and all the details in order to experience the best of this website. And now I am going to fill this form. So now I have successfully filled the form. As you guys can see, I have successfully filled this form. Now when I click submit, this website will send me an email, confirmation email, and this will show to this app requires email verification in order to pay and do transaction with this website, and we should verify and activate this account. And soon after the verification and activation process, this website will send a link to your email account, and when you click it, it will automatically log into your account, and this will show some work of you. You can click the option show works, and you can select some works like image annotation and data mining and rating services and content moderation and all other services. And when you click use this will show you what are the work, and you can complete it and give it to this upload the work to the website, and you can earn a revenue from it. And that's it for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe US Educate Academy for more videos and technology related ideas. See you in the next one.